Introducing Lynxari, the Internet of Things software platform which does all the hard work of connecting low-level devices to higher-level functionality. First of all, Lynxari does excel in the Internet portion of the IoT. It includes a REST API, WebSocket streams, peer networking capabilities, and the ability to communicate with any other Internet program or server using any protocol. But Lynxari is one of the few platforms which runs beautifully even without any Internet at all. It is on-premise software. It's not SaaS, it's not IaaS, it's not PaaS. It does not rely on or require any service, and the data does not ever have to be transmitted to any Internet server. Maybe you have a product that cannot or does not need to connect to the Internet, or if your data is sensitive and should be kept private. And what data is not private? Lynxari runs great unplugged on the edge. You may still choose to take full advantage of Lynxari's built-in peer networking capability. Linked peers share all access to devices and data streams. Peer links can be established on a local intranet to create any imaginable topology. Peers maintain persistent connections and even automatically reconnect in the case of an outage. Now let's bring on the things. Lynxari allows you to connect nearly anything. And not just physical things, but virtual ones too, such as a weather forecast, or a stock market feed, or even a Twitter stream. Device drivers and interfaces are written in JavaScript, which allows you to take advantage of the hundreds of thousands of existing open source apps and drivers, and write new device drivers and capabilities in a fraction of the time. Lynxari includes a Node.js engine, so a production system doesn't need a separate one. But Lynxari goes far beyond just Internet and Things by including an application environment. Platform apps have full access to all the device things and the Internet, including peer links. This gives Lynxari apps enormous power and flexibility. Apps can collect data from and send commands to any device. Apps can connect to outside servers or publish custom APIs. Apps can be servers themselves. In short, apps can do anything and interface with anything internally or externally. One of the biggest concerns hovering over the IoT today is security. With Lynxari, security is built in, not just bolted on. All communication is encrypted and authentication is required. This includes the REST API, WebSockets, and peer connections. And since Lynxari does not require any outside service or server, your data never goes anywhere outside your control. Finally, let's talk ROI. Use Lynxari to build your product and you'll reap these benefits. Decreased time to innovation, a reduction in software development time and cost, faster time to market. It is possible to build something similar from scratch, but not trivial given all the complicated interactions and security. These estimates are pretty conservative, so the actual development time and cost would likely be higher. If you license a platform from another vendor, it is probable that the costs would be higher, potentially much higher. Lynxari eliminates all these extra hassles and cost. There are no subscriptions, no transaction fees. You pay just a low one-time license fee, which includes program updates. And while Lynxari runs well on high-end servers, it has been efficiently designed to run even on small, inexpensive single-board computers as well. The platform is offered in 3 tiers so that you only pay for the capability you need. We offer volume discounts up to 30%, and custom enterprise packages are available. So whether you're building a one-off prototype or a large product run, we hope you'll consider the Lynxari IoT platform as your software component. Thank you.